Today, I'll walk you through the easiest way to add your Instagram feed directly to your WordPress website. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to showcase beautiful, real-time Instagram photos or videos right on your pages, keeping your site fresh and engaging while encouraging your visitors to connect with you on Instagram too. Let's get started right away. First things first, we need to add the right plugin to your WordPress site. Head into your WordPress dashboard and on the left sidebar, find Plugins, then click Add New. In the search bar, type Instagram Feed. You'll see a few options, but I recommend a well-rated one like Smash Balloon's Social Photo Feed. It's popular for a reason. It's reliable, updates regularly, and is super user-friendly. Once you spot it, just hit Install Now, and after a few moments, click Activate. Plugins are like little helpers for your site, adding new features without any coding needed. So if you're new to WordPress plugins, don't worry, this is one of the simplest and safest ways to add power to your website. Once the plugin is active, you'll usually be prompted by a setup wizard. This is your guide to connecting your actual Instagram account to your site. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Most plugins will ask you to log into Instagram and authorize access for your site. This might sound technical, but all you're really doing is giving permission for your website to see your Instagram posts. Think of it like handing someone a window into your gallery. They don't get to move things around or post for you, they just display what you choose. If you ever change your account details or want to switch accounts, you can always come back to this step later. With your account connected, now it's time to create and customize your feed. This is probably my favorite part because you get to decide exactly how your content appears. You'll usually have a builder interface. It's a little like arranging photos in a photo album. Select what you want to show. Your latest posts, maybe your stories, or even Instagram Reels if your plugin supports it. Then pick a layout you like. Do you want a neat grid, a horizontal scrolling carousel, or something more creative? Take your time here, preview what works best for your site's design, and don't forget to tweak the colors. Matching the feed's colors to your site helps it look seamless, like it was always part of your design. When you're happy with your settings, you're almost there. The plugin will give you a shortcode, something like Instagram Feed. This is just a little piece of code you'll copy. Head over to any post, page, or even your homepage and paste this shortcode where you want your Instagram feed to appear. Alternatively, if you prefer working with widgets, most plugins offer a widget option you can drag into your site's sidebar or footer from the WordPress customizer. Wait a moment, refresh your page, and there it is, your live Instagram feed updating automatically with your latest content. And that's it. Hopefully you can see your beautiful Instagram posts right on your site now. Don't worry if it takes a little tweaking. Sometimes you need to refresh the page or clear your site's cache to see the changes. If you run into any trouble, these plugins usually offer great documentation and support. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped you, please hit the like button. If you've got any questions or want more tips, drop a comment below and I'll get back to you. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward WordPress and social media tutorials. Good luck with your new Instagram feed.